but the valve is damaged now. It wasn't damaged, just the leak damaged it.
What is damaged?
The valve.
The valve? What valve?
This one.
Oh, so that needs to be changed?
Yeah, I told your husband yesterday it was damaged, but since he came home, I said, well, it's not damaged then because the water damaged the valve easily. So this guy right here, he is connected to the flame, and once it got water on it, it's damaged. So, but even if you replace it, it's not worth it. You want to spend $600 valve replacement, and this is just not fixed, it's gonna damage the new one. It's not worth it. Temporary fix is not worth it, believe me. You want to spend money, and 5 weeks later, 3 days later, you're gonna have another issue. So, yeah, so this
What
one,
is this for?
that one is a relief valve.
To do what? This thing has gas, right?
This is gas, right here, gas. This is water, gas.
Oh, so the gas comes in through here and enter here.
Yeah. So no, gas, water comes down here, right? This is water right here. It goes inside and then comes out. Gas comes out here, goes down, and it stays. This pilot stays on. As you need more hot water, this one warms up. It's a flame on the boiler, like this boiling water. As the water gets hot, it goes hot to where to the shower, to the showers. But yeah, this is a huge damage. And this is my main concern right there. The chimney, this one is too big. It's supposed to be only 4 inches. This is too big. And then